Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. Ooh, that's probably my intro. We back today with another video. Yeah, word. But anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like on the video and comment down below what else you want to see, just to help your boy grow. We're trying to hit 5K subscribers. I was aiming for that for the end of this year, but your boy was slacking. So as y'all can see the mess in the background, I'm trying to move out all my sneakers from that closet so I could put my clothes back up, and I could put together like little fit videos, like little lookbooks and stuff like that. I really want to get into that stuff, but your boy's just been like a big mess, and I just been trying to get to the bag, you feel me? We're trying to stack it up to the ceiling. But you guys are here for one reason, and I'm here for one reason, you know what I'm saying? The Jordan 11 Cool Gray review. And your boy got them. We got them. So we got them on the shock drop on Nike app, sneakers app, whatever, last week. I got it on my phone. I tried to run to my mom's room and use her phone to get a pair, but sold out on her end. But I was able to get these. They took a little long to ship. Usually Nike gets here in like 2-3 days. These took like about a week to get here. But anyways, they're here. Y'all let me know, do you guys have any luck copying them on the shock drop, or are y'all gonna probably retry your luck on the real release? And this probably is the hottest sneaker release of the year. And in terms of hottest, I mean like of a retro or a re-release of a classic colorway, just because like everybody going after these. Like the whole hood needs these sneakers, you feel me? Like people hit me up, like OD people have already hit me up months in advance. Yo, when the cool grays come out this year, I need them, bro, and I can't let the hood down. So you feel me? Like I probably need like 200 pairs of these, and I don't even supply like, let's say a hundredth of the hood, bro. So your boy's gonna have to throw his backpack on, and we're gonna have to cop these cool grays for the hood. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be the hood faves, you feel me? But that's enough saying. Let's get into the unboxing. So while I'm unboxing this shoe, I'm gonna have to use my earring today. This is a very ghetto video because I can't find my box cutter. But yeah, we're just gonna slide it down and cut it open, you feel me? But like I was saying, the cool grays is one of the classic Jordan 11 colorways. I would say it would be Concords, Breads, Space Jams, then cool grays. That'll probably be like the top 4. If I'm missing one, don't kill me, but I think that's like the top 4 colorways in Jordan 11s. And yeah, they originally released in the 90s, I believe, and then in 2001 they came out with a retro, and then 2010 they came out with another retro. That pair was actually really nice. I was just never able to get my hands on them. When I was in high school, like I would see like older kids have them, and I was like, oh, those fire. But yeah, so for Nike, I don't know why they sent this as like a shipping thing. That's kind of weird. Never got this before. It's like just a packing slip. Internal use only. Throw the box over there, and right here we have the sneaker, man. So yeah, as you guys can see, really nice box. And then I have my Concords here as well, so we could do a little side-by-side comparison of the box for you guys. I'm trying to go all out this video because, you know, kaboom, bang. So yeah, box, they have the OG Jordan 11 box where you have the lift open. I'm so glad that Jordan's brand like went away from the black Jordan boxes that just had the white Jordan Jumpman on top of the box that you just flip open. Like, you know how the mids boxes look? That's the boxes they used to use, and those just was terrible. But we have the original box, gray, 2 tones of gray. They got a lighter gray up top for the lid and a darker gray on the bottom of the box. And on top, as you guys can see, it is Air Jordan with a Jordan Jumpman. You got the white Jordan Jumpman, and you have Air Jordan in that darker gray tone. And then yeah, you have the size tag right here with Nike Air up top right there. The size tag, this was a size 9, so I'm gonna be bringing you guys it on feet. But yeah, there you guys have a better look. It's Air Jordan 11 Retro. Color code is medium gray / multicolor - multi, size 9. Retail on these was $225. They did up the price on retros by like $5. I guess next year it might be like $230. So every year, you know what I'm just saying, inflation. I seen something where they said inflation will never happen until the price of Arizona's go up. If Arizona's is still 99 cents, we not inflating, baby. For Jordans, they inflating, man. So that's enough for the box. Let's hop into the unboxing, man. Just slide the lid open. And then on the inside, you have this black paper. It's this not even like a paper, just like a garbage bag material right here. And then you have the Jordan 11s right there, the cool gray. Woo! Crispy, 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 crispy. Oh my God, these are so crispy. You know, at first, I seen pictures of them, right? Ever since like last year, there was leaks, and damn, they look good in person. Damn, they look good on camera. Damn, let's give y'all a B-roll and see how they look. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good look at how clean these sneakers are right here. Golly. I'm gonna keep, yo, these is clean, bro. Why am I still stuck on these being so clean? Let's hop into the review, man. As for my reviews, I like to go colorway breakdown, material breakdown, and sizing. And then I talk about a little bit about comfort, then the resale predictions, and my final opinions. So, as for the colorway on this shoe right here, they use 3 different colors, gray, white, and the baby blue for the icy outsole. As for the gray, they use 2 different tones of gray. They have like a lighter gray up top, and then a darker gray for the patent leather coming around the toe box and around the shoe. Darker gray is also on the sock liner, as you guys can see. And then the insole of this shoe is also in that lighter gray with a white Jordan Jumpman. They have the tongue right here. The tongue is in that lighter gray with the laces being in white, and the midsole is also white. The Jumpman is supposed to be white as well. Looks a little bit like silver right there, or like a pitch of gray, but it's supposed to be white. And then the outsole is in that baby blue icy outsole with the traction part, herringbone traction part being in that dark gray. And they also have, you know, if you guys have Jordan 11s right here, you guys have whatever, Jordan 23 and like Jordan backwards with a Jordan Jumpman in the middle. Another quick detail I want to cover is that these have the 23 on the back now, as compared to the Breads and the Concords that had the 45, just because those were pairs that MJ actually wore on court. This one I don't think he wore on court, so you guys can see that the Jumpman, the basketball, goes in between the 2 and the 3. That's a quick legit check for you guys. I have the Concords right here, so yeah, you guys could just have like a side-by-side comparison. So boom, 45, 23, bang, bang. Y'all let me know which one's better, man, down below. I ain't gonna lie, Jordan brand went cheap this year with the insoles, man. As you guys can see, they gave you guys the cardboard insoles. Usually Jordan 11s, if you guys know, they come with the plastic, you know, nice plastic insoles. And this time they just went with cardboard. So they upped the price and then they went cheap on us. What's going on? What's going on? So yeah, that pretty much breaks down the colorway of this sneaker. Simple colorway, but super, super clean. As for materials of this sneaker, classic Jordan 11 cool gray materials. So on the upper, they use this really nice nubuck. And you could tell if it's nice if you just run your finger across the material and it would just like change like a different shade of color. Like usually how suede works. But it's easy to crease the ankle collar area just because it's that material. And then the classic patent leather on all Jordan 11s. This one has more of a high cut patent leather, resembles more of the OG look. I'll compare it to my cool grays later. Not my cool grays. I'll compare it to my Concords later, because my Concords have the same look they've been doing since like 2015. They started with the Space Jam, so they started doing like more high cut patent leather to resemble the originals. I'm more of a fan of the lower cut from like the 2010s, but these are cool too. That patent leather runs around from the back of the shoe all the way to the toe box, all the way to the back end. Just that classic patent leather look. And they use thick rope laces on Jordan 11s. As you guys can see, those are pretty thick. And then they have this like to the spots where the eyelets, I guess, for the laces to go through. It's kind of like holding it up as support, like how wires do on a bridge, and just a part of it. Those are more of like a mesh material. So yeah. And then as for the midsole, it's this like a foam midsole. I don't know if this is Phylon, but they have this like foam midsole. And then they have I believe they have an air unit on the inside of these. And these are actually one of the best basketball sneakers. So they also have the carbon fiber midpoint that makes that like springiness for when you play basketball. And then they have the translucent outsole in that rubber for that baby blue. So yeah, that pretty much breaks down the material of these shoes. Now let's talk about sizing. As for sizing on Jordan 11s, a lot of people like to go half size down. And you can do that just because Jordan 11s kind of are bulky. So you can go half size down. Like a lot of my friends, they're size 11. They like to get 10.5 in Jordan 11s because they don't want their shoes looking extra big. And they say like their size 11s fit like a little bit big as opposed to other shoes. So you can go half size down, or you could go true to size. Personally, I'm an 8.5, 9. So I got my Concords in an 8.5, but this 9 fits perfectly fine as well. So you can always go with your true size or go half size down on these. Now with sizing comes comfort. And as for comfort on these are pretty comfortable. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Jordans aren't known to be comfortable, but this shoe right here is pretty lightweight as compared to like 4s, 5s, and 6s. Jordans are known to be like bulky and heavy, but the 11s are pretty comfortable because at the time that these released, it had like some of the best technology ever known to be put in a sneaker. And it was like ahead of its time. They just have a full-length air unit inside, and they have like a carbon fiber mid plate that gives you like that springiness and that bounciness. And these, like I said, in my hand are pretty light, and the material that they use is just like perfect. So I would have to give these like a 7 out of 10 as for comfort, just because it's not going to be as comfortable as like a low cut running sneaker that's light, bouncy, breathable, all that. It is still a Jordan basketball sneaker. So 7 out of 10 as for comfort. All right, that pretty much breaks down the whole shoe. I'm gonna cut to a on feet for you guys. I'm just gonna throw them on with some gray sweats because that's the vibe I'm going for with Jordan 11s nowadays. You could throw them on with jeans, you could throw them on with like different fits going outside, but if I'm wearing Jordan 11s, it's more of like a cool, chill, laid back look. But these are super clean though, so you could pull off all the fits you want, but that's just really like not my style anymore. In high school, I'll throw these on with jeans and just think I'm the flyest person. Now I'll just chill out with some, you know, Nike Tech, gray Nike Tech, some sweatpants, whatever. Cause you know, these are bulky, so you know, I'm trying to look like chilling, not too trying hardish, you feel me? But yeah, let's just cut to an on feet, and then we're gonna come back, wrap things up with my resale predictions and my final opinion. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, hopefully you guys got a good little look at how they look on feet, and let's just talk about the resale predictions of this sneaker. So like I said, I got these early. The actual release for these is December 11th. So yeah, good luck to you guys who are all going after this sneaker. But right now I think the market is around like 300, 310 ish as on StockX and GOAT for these Jordan 11 cool grays, and that's a pretty good price right now, I'm not gonna lie. So this is like 2 weeks before the release, so just putting it into perspective, when the actual releases come out, because these are a general release, there's going to be a lot of pair of these, but the demand is there. So I would think that these should drop down to like 275, 280, and that should be like the resale on around release date. I do recommend you guys picking these up though, so definitely pick these up, because even with retail increasing to 225, in New York it's like 245, 250 now for these, and it's still worth it to pick them up. If you could sell them at like 300, 280, these will sell at 300, no problem, bro. So definitely pick these up. And if you guys are fans of holding on to sneakers for a long time, definitely, you know, pick these up and hold them for like a couple months, and they should be up in like the 350 range into like the 400 range, like 350 to 400 range in like a couple of months, just because they are classic Jordan 11s. And yeah, that pretty much is my resale prediction. I do recommend everybody going to pick these up for resale purposes, or if you're just copping them for yourself, man. So yeah. All right, now let's wrap things up with my final opinions of this shoe right here. Super clean sneaker. I do have the Concords right here that I was gonna say. I was gonna give you guys a, you know, a comparison. Didn't even wear these yet. These are super clean, but just look at the difference. Like, these are clean as fuck. These are clean too, but the gray and the white contrast, that might be my favorite like mixture, gray and white. But the gray and white contrast and just like how they put this shoe together, just executed perfectly. So yeah, man, probably gonna be adding these to my collection. I might sell this pair since it's early and then pick them up when they come out again on the 11th of December. So yeah, I'm gonna be adding these to my collection, man. These are super clean. The more I look at them, the more I like them. And that pretty much wraps up this video. If y'all have any comments, make sure y'all leave them down below. What you guys think of this shoe. And if you like the video, make sure y'all leave a like. And yeah, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.